Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure the Airpods have at least 30% charge and Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Next, pair them, open your iPhone near the case or use the Mac Bluetooth menu, and confirm the headphones show as connected. Once paired, play a short clip to verify audio. This prevents surprises when switching inputs in your recorder. If you're using a secondary device, pair the Airpods there before opening your recording app so the microphone option appears immediately. You now select the Airpods as the active microphone in your recorder. Open the app's audio or input settings and locate the input device list. Pick the Airpods entry or the headset microphone option. Make sure you set the sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz and 16-bit depth for clear voice capture. Once done, arm the track for recording and monitor levels. Speak at normal volume and watch meters peak around -12 dB to avoid clipping. If low, you're ready to record. Start with a 10 to 20 second test and listen back through wired headphones to check latency and quality. If you notice lag, enable local monitoring in the app or consider a wired USB mic for critical sync work. If the Airpods mic drops out or sounds distant, repair them, restart the recording app and the device, and move away from other Bluetooth sources. Interference often causes issues. Finally, make sure firmware is current and retry the quick test before the full take.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.